every action that you perform, it leaves a residual footprint within us. You move your hand like this, it is leaving a footprint. You say something, it's leaving a footprint. You generate a thought, it's leaving a footprint. This is life's way of recording everything that you do.
I have another question, and this is something that I always think about, and it's about karma. What is a bad and a good karma?
See, the word karma literally means action. What is action? See, now you're sitting there. Even if you're not saying anything, not doing anything, your body is in some kind of action, isn't it? Physical action is happening.
Yeah.
Mental action is happening. Emotional action is happening. It may be pleasant, it may be unpleasant, but some action is happening. For all these three activities to happen, the energetic action is also happening. So, four dimensions of karma, all of us are performing every moment of our life. In wakefulness and in sleep, we are performing karma. But last 24 hours, what time is it in Colombia right now?
It's 10 a.m.
Oh, okay. So, in the last 24 hours, if you look back, how much of these four dimensions of karma did you perform consciously? If you look at that, it is way below 1% for almost every human being on the planet. Because what the body is doing, what the mind is doing, what the emotions are doing, what our life energies are doing, we are not aware of this. Only small percentage are aware. Right now, for example, do you ride motorcycles?
Yeah, I love ATVs. Four wheels.
ATV got four wheels, so that's not for a young man. I ride motorcycles, what is this?
I used to have one, but I don't know, I got afraid of it. I don't know why. Yeah,
You must come and ride with me,
please, please,
You know,
please. I'm not gonna feel afraid next to you.
I rode across United States last season, you know that, last year?
Yeah, I saw it. I saw you. Amazing.
So, suppose you're riding a ATV, let's say. Out of 10 minutes of driving it, 9 minutes you close your eyes and drive. You know what'll happen?
Crash,
Disaster
no?
only, yes. So right now, if we are not even conscious even of 1% of the activity that we are performing within ourselves, and we think why life is happening the way it's happening, everything looks like an accident simply because we're unconscious most of the time. If you if you bring, let's say 2 to 5% of your daily karma into conscious process, suddenly you look like a miraculous human being for everybody else.
Yeah.
So karma is neither bad nor good. It is not a system of reward and punishment. It is just that every action that you do, it's like this. See, right now, if I see you, suppose I know you well, and I see you, you're walking half a mile away, I can't recognize you. But just the way you move your hand, I will know, oh, it is him. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because this is your karma, that is the way you move your hand, that is the way you walk, that is the way you speak, that's the way you do things. This is how karma is, because every action that you perform, it leaves a residual footprint within us. Initially, it starts as a chemical footprint, then it becomes an energetic footprint, then it becomes a karmic footprint. So, every action that you do, you move your hand like this, it is leaving a footprint. You say something, it's leaving a footprint. You generate a thought, it's leaving a footprint. This is life's way of recording everything that you do, because that's how you become a person, all right? It is the karmic memory which makes you a certain kind of person. Suppose we wipe out all your memory, then you wouldn't know who you are not a person anymore, because personality needs memory, isn't it?
Yeah,
So
of course.
karma is the basis of who you are. People are thinking there is bad karma, good karma, no. We have performed actions all kinds. Some are physical actions, some are mental, some are emotional. For a whole lot of human beings in today's world, in the modern world, 90% of their life is psychological and emotional karma. Only 10% they're doing activity. Maybe 2 centuries ago, they were doing more physical karma and less mental karma. But today, there is more mental and emotional karma and very little physical karma. So, especially mental karma leaves a strong footprint upon everything that you are. The way you think, the way you feel, the way you project things, all this is leaving an imprint. After some time, it makes you like an automatic human being. After that, you don't have to think, anyway you will do it that way. I am saying the way somebody brushes their teeth is unique to each person. That's how life is, you know? Everybody doesn't brush their teeth the same way because that is karma. The memory that we have in our system function in a certain way, or slowly it forms a rut. So, once if you're driving ATVs, you have definitely driven in ruts, isn't it? Where there are pathways which gone inside. Whatever you try to do, it just keeps going in the rut. So karma is like that. If you're not conscious, it will form a rut. After that, after some time, it looks like somebody else is running your life. It looks like some other destiny is running your life. So if you make efforts to make yourself conscious about the karma that you're performing on a daily basis, you will see, you will become the person who crafts your own destiny. Somebody else or something else will not craft your destiny. So karma is the most dynamic way to live. When I say my life is my karma, I'm saying my life is my making. This is the most dynamic way to exist. But unfortunately, people are interpreting it like it's a fatalistic thing, your karma, what can I do? No, karma means it's what you have done. If you understand everything that's happening to you right now, you're feeling wonderful, you're feeling horrible, both these things are done by you. If you understand this, naturally you will do wonderful things, isn't it? Right now I think, I'm feeling wonderful, maybe God is nice to me, I'm feeling horrible, maybe devil is bothering me. Well, you can't fix it anymore. You cannot fix it anymore.
Oh my God, that's so true. Wow, thank you. That's amazing. Wow, speechless.